Hello everyone, this is Mr. Nice Guy, and in this video you'll learn how to find the lowest common multiple or the LCM of 2 or 3 numbers. Finding the LCM of 2 or 3 numbers is something similar to HCF, but this time around we need to multiply the remaining numbers. How do we do this? We will take a look at an example. Question 1. Find the LCM of 36 and 48. So what we have to do is also prime factorization. So 36 and 48, is it divisible by 2? Yes. So we divide both numbers by 2 and we get 18 and 24. And we can divide both numbers by 2 and we get 9 and 12. Is 2 a common factor of 9 and 12? No. So we move on to the next prime number, which is 3. We can divide both numbers by 3 and we will get 3 and 4. So we stop here and we write the LCM will be equal to 2 times 2 times 3 times 3 times 4. Notice that I'm multiplying the remaining numbers instead of just the prime number on the left. So LCM will be equal to 144. And this is how we find the LCM of 2 numbers. And like always, do remember to check whether your answer makes sense or not. Since the question is asking for a multiple, do make sure that your answer is larger than the original numbers which were in the question. For question 2, let us find the LCM of 72 and 78. So we can divide both the number by 2 as they are even number. So do so, and we'll get 36 and 39. And since only 36 is divisible by 2, we move on to the next prime number, which is 3. So we can divide both numbers by 3, and we will get 12 and 13. So LCM will be equal to 2 times 3 times the remaining number at the bottom, which is 12 and 13. And we will get 936. Now let us take a look when 3 numbers are given. So find the LCM of 12, 18 and 81. Like always, we list them out. But something different here compared to HCF is, as long as 2 is a common factor of at least 2 numbers, in this case is 12 and 18, even though 2 is not a common factor of 81, we can still divide them by 2. So what we do is divide the 2 number by 2. So 12 divided by 2 will give us 6. 18 divided by 2 will give us 9. 81 we cannot divide it by 2. So we will just leave 81 as it is. Now we have to ask ourselves, is 2 still a common factor of at least 2 numbers? The answer is no. So we move on to the next prime number, which is 3. So the 3 number we can actually divide them by 3. So we do so. And we will get 2, 3 and 27. Now is 3 a factor of at least 2 numbers? Yes, 3 is a factor of 3 as well as 27. So we divide 3 and 27 by 3 and we will get 2, 1 and 9. So the LCM will be equal to 2 times 3 times 3 times the remaining number, 2 times 1 times 9. And the answer will be 324. So do remember to check your answer to see whether it makes sense. Your answer, because it's a multiple, must be greater than the 3 number that was originally given. So now let me erase the board and we take a look at another example where 3 numbers are given. So example 4 asks us to find the LCM of 63, 80 and 102. Like always, we list them out. Then the first question to ask is whether at least 2 of the number can be divided by 2. And the 2 even number 80 and 102 can be divided by 2. So let us do it. 63 will remain as 63 because it is not divisible by 2. And we will have 40 as well as 51. So 2 is not a common factor of at least 2 of the number already. So we move on to the next prime number, which is 3. So we can divide two of the number, 63 and 51, by 3. So let us do it, and we will get 21, 40 will just stay as 40, and 17. Now, there's no more common factor, so LCM of the 3 number will be equals to 2 times 3 times 21 times 40 times 17. We can take out our calculator to calculate out the big number, and the answer will be 85680. The last example which I will go through is slightly different. In this case, they have prime factorized out 342 as well as 176 for us. Like what we did in HCF, we have to write them down in 2 lines. So 342 is equals to 2 times 3 to the power of 2 times, let us leave a blank, times 19. 176 is equals to 2 to the power of 4 times, let us leave a blank, times 11. So the blank, right, is actually a representation of some numbers with power 0. So for 342, there's an invisible 11 to the power of 0, and for 176, there are actually 2, 3 to the power of 0 and 19 to the power of 0. For HCF, we take the lowest power, but for LCM, because it's a multiple, we need to take the highest power. So the highest power of 2 is 2 to the power of 4, highest power of 3 is 3 to the power of 2, and for 11 it is 11, and for 19 it is 19. So LCM of the 3 number will be equals to 2 to the power of 4 times 3 to the power of 2 times 11 times 19. And let's take out our calculator and tabulate it. And our answer will be 30096. So this is all for the prime numbers. I hope you found this series or video informative. And until next chapter, see you.